Welcome back. In this video, we'll connect a generic SMTP server to Email Sendex, the most flexible way to bring your own sender. Generic SMTP is the right choice when your provider isn't in our preset list, or when you run your own mail server. If you can send email with it, Email Sendex can use it. Click Add Provider, and from the list, choose SMTP. Same sender details as always: a name for the provider, your from address and name, and a reply to. Recipients will see the from name and address on every email. Now the SMTP server section. The host is your mail server's address. Your provider gives you this exact value. Then the port. Most servers use 587, and that's what we recommend. You might also see 465. Use whichever your provider tells you to. Next, your SMTP username and password. These are the login your provider issued for sending. Keep them private. Leave the TLS toggle on. That encrypts the connection between Email Sendex and your server. You almost always want this enabled. Click Add SMTP, and your SMTP provider is added. Let's prove it works. Click Re-Verify to test the connection. Then Send Test to send a quick email to your own inbox. The test landed. Your SMTP server is connected. Next, we'll look at the popular API key providers like SendGrid and Mailgun.